Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to copy trade on Weex. And right now we are here on the Weex starting page, and if you click now here on copy trade, you will find this page. And right here we have the highest ranked, but we also have all elite traders right here. But let's say we have all the highest ranked traders. So let's say we want to copy something. Now you have a lot of options and you can search for a lot of trades, but let's say this is a high ranked trader. So we click here on copy. Then we do I have read and agreed the above agreement. Then we do confirm. And then right now he will completely copy this trade right here. So right now we can fill in the position that we want to add. So let's say we want 1,000 euros or 1,000 US dollars, excuse me. And then we do next from here. Then we do confirm. And then right now we need to put some money on our account. I'm just showing you an example. But after that, he will copy that trade and then you can put that trade on your account. I don't have money on my account, so it's not possible now to do this. So that is a little bit tough, but yeah, this is how it works. So after this, when you have money on your account, he will copy the trade and then you can put the trade to your account. So if you have questions about this, please comment down below. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.